From writing a blog post, we've just written a blog post, shown you how to write a blog post. Let's try to see how we can prompt this Bing AI to write a meal plan for us. Assuming I want to lose weight and I want it to help me give me a meal plan for a week and how I can lose weight. Let's say, can you give me a meal plan for a week as I want to lose some weight? So let's say you give me a meal plan for a week. I'm interested in losing some weight, meal plan for weight loss. So let's see. Sure, I can give you some meal plans. Include plenty of protein and fiber in every meal. Okay, so you can see, choose fresh fruits, vegetables and whole grains for complex carbohydrates and fiber. Okay, limit added sugar, drink plenty of water throughout the day. So you can see these are some key things. Here's an example of a 7-day meal plan that follows these steps. So you can prompt it. This is an example. Day 1, breakfast. This is their breakfast. They are giving you day 1 what you should pay attention to. What are some of the things you can eat and what are some of the things you should not eat. Okay, so this is chicken salad with lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, avocado, cheese and thereabout. Okay, and then day 2, breakfast. These are some of the contents it has given you. So you can go ahead, and here's an example of a 7-day plan. You can click on this and it will prompt you to another place where you can see a 7-day plan. So this is very nicely, you just land in here and you can see the 7-day plan you are talking about when you come down. Okay, so you can see different kind of plans depending on you and depending on how your pocket. 7-day high fiber meal plan, 1200 calories. 7-day vegan meal plan, 1200 calories. You can see them depending. 7-day Mediterranean diet meal plan, 1200 calories. So you can just go ahead and select according to how comfortable and how strong is your pocket. You can be able to follow these ideas and see how you can lose weight. But this is just generic and it has given you direct response to how you should limit taking more fiber, taking more fruits and taking more protein related food. So this is it. So you can come back and continue with your conversation. But then this has given you an idea into a meal plan that can help you. But then you can prompt it to say, can you give me complete day by day meal plan? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so here is the 7 days complete. It has given you, this is day 2. It has given you day 1 over here, if you remember. So this is day 2. Here's the rest of the, so you say, I can give you a complete day by day. Here is the rest of the meal plan that I started to show you before. So it remembers that it has given you day 1. So this is day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So it's all boils down to you. You can just go ahead and say breakfast. This is what you should use. And then you can see day 3, day 4, and day 5. You just go ahead and use it accordingly and see the benefits and see the response. So like I said earlier, in each conversation you have the option to conversate with this. Per conversation you have the option to prompt up to 8 prompts. You can take up to 8 prompts. Once it reaches that 8 prompts, you have to start a fresh conversation. It will not be able to continue. So this is one of the limitations of Bing AI. Okay, the limitation of up to 8 prompts per conversation. So you can see for now, you can drive it more, you can ask it more, and then ask it to give you more pictures or relevant pictures as regards the meal plan that you're asking it, and it's going to continue to give you a meal plan and other details that you need to lose your weight and some of the key processes. Okay, so this is far better than ChatGPT because it is more conversational and it gives you up-to-date information as regards what's available. Okay, so I think that does it for this tutorial on how to generate meal plans. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.